My blue jeans will last me all my life forever.
My blue what? Sing it, sing it.
Hello family and welcome back to Prophetic Diary. My name is Tiny. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button like thousands, I think 56,000 others have. So join us, get connected. If you get in the flow, I promise you, you're gonna glow here at Prophetic Diary. Everything you need to know is down below in the description box. You can go to kingwinassist.com under services and sign up for the one-on-one coaching calls with myself. That's brand coaching, that's business coaching, that's life coaching, spiritual coaching, strategy call. You need it, we got it here at Prophetic Diary. Check out the packages and see if you want to grab 2 of those services in one place. We have our EXP Masterclass that's rolling out right now. Face card never declines. I'm thinking about bringing in a makeup artist that I know, but I gotta pray on. Make sure that you register so you can get that ebook. Registration will close early this time because of the information I have to get out to you guys to make sure that you're prepared and have all the tools that you need for this masterclass. It's gonna be so much fun. We have our PD Society Circles. These take place every single Sunday at 10 a.m. Can you see God? You can't, because he's in the spiritual realm. It's a mystery, right? So in order for us to make sure that our insides are taken care of, that we're pulling down stronghold and getting rid of illegitimate spirits and getting rid of spirits of rejection and pain and dream interpretation, all of the things in the spiritual realm, because you're no good on the outside if those insides aren't clean. And we're always working, right? We're being transformed. There's always a transformation going on within us. That is what you learn. This is the classroom setting. The PD Society Circles, don't miss out. They're only gonna grow and get bigger, and then you'll end up on a waiting list, right? That's where we're going here at PD. So get in where you fit in now. Don't wait till the whole crowd comes, because it's coming. Those are the amazing services that we have here. And Shanice put together a beautiful calendar for us that's going on the community page or in our WhatsApp app group, where everything that goes on here at Prophetic Diary it will be for the month of June. So God gave me this word, and I need you guys to let me take my time with it, because it's just that good. But I want to start off by asking you, do you have a pair of blue jeans that you love so much? I know I do. This pair of blue jeans I got from Sunpack. They fit my body just the way that I like them, and they're very, very stylish. Does anyone else have a favorite pair of blue jeans? If so, say yes, I do, down below. And I realized that I have a relationship with these jeans because they go with every shirt. They just are like, out of all my jeans, this is my favorite pair. And I just want them to last forever. So this morning when I woke up, I heard this song, Japanese Denim by Daniel C. It says, my blue jeans will last me all my life. And it reminded me of Rachel and Jacob's love in Genesis 29. How Jacob worked all those years for Rachel. He never got tired of working for her. The love never grew old. And he worked and he worked. And he's like, look, all these other women, all these other blue jeans, they just don't fit me like this Japanese denim do, right? Somebody say Rachel was his Japanese denim. And I was just laughing, because I'm like, oh my God, no, I'm not about to give a word on Japanese denim jeans, blue jeans, but that's the type of love that God has given us. It won't go out of style. Somebody write in the comment section, it will not go out of style. And I'm like, that's the kind of love that he put in together, because God put together our love life, and it never is going to wear out, and it's never gonna fade. Just like a pair of blue jeans, no matter how long you had them, they only get better with time. They hold memories, they fit perfectly, they become more of you. The love story that's being written for God's sons and daughters, right? And it reminded me of a situation, and maybe for you guys too, where maybe you met your kingdom spouse, or some of you guys are starting to date, or you don't know who they are just yet, but it'll just bring this feeling over you that you're just like, this love just isn't going to get old, right? No matter, how many relationships you've been in, how many failed relationships you get in, you just know with this one, it's never gonna get old, right? So this is different from the butterflies and teenage love and your first love. No, this is different. It's just like, it just don't get old. It's not about, we can talk for hours. No, you cannot talk for months, and it just never gets old. A kingdom marriage isn't trendy, and I know we see it a lot on YouTube where it's so trendy, but a kingdom marriage is really not trendy. But it just never ever ever gets old. And when you hear the song, it says forever is a long time. Yeah, forever is a long time. It is. And God is preparing us for a forever love, a kind of love, you know, that is woven in grace and understanding and maturity, right? Because it's going to take a mature love to last a long time. Yes. I love his voice. Just to let you know that God is woven together something just like a pair of blue jeans. And you can trust that God is going to make sure that it's really, really strong and it's going to be perfectly fit just for you and your spouse. So this is good. A love that never fades.